Ned crows are some of the most unusual birds inhabiting the sweltering African savannas. Despite their name, these birds have nothing in common with the common crows that everyone is familiar with. Ravens of Africa represent the family of rhinoceros birds and look quite exotic. A massive body covered with black feathers, brightly colored bare skin in the eye area, a long beak with a large excrescence in the upper part, strong legs. Interesting facts about horned crows. Today, there are only two species of these birds, the Abyssinian and Kaffir. Representatives of the genus of horned crows are highly intelligent. Horned crows spend most of their lives on the ground, rising into the air only to search for food. These birds are distinguished by their size. They are up to 1.5 meters long and have a wingspan of about 2 meters. African crows hold the record for longevity among their relatives. On average, they live about 40 years. Crows are birds of prey and carnivores. They prey not only on insects, lizards, frogs and snakes, but also on small animals such as squirrels and hares. These birds have thick and long eyelashes that protect eyes from grass. African crows live in families headed by a dominant pair of birds, with the female playing the leading role. These birds set up nests in tree hollows or in rock crevices. The Kaffir horned crow has chicks only once every 3 years. The loud throaty cries and cawing of crows can be heard several kilometers away. Representatives of many African tribes believe that crows are endowed with supernatural powers. These unique birds have no fear of humans. They can boldly approach and look into the eyes. The number of horned crows is currently not threatened. The Ethiopian, Abyssinian, horned crow, Bucorvus abyssinicus, is not arboreal like all other horned crows, but leads a ground life, walking and running well. Its total body length is 110 centimeters and weighed up to 4 kilograms. Distribution and breeding for nesting. The horned raven uses cavities in the trunks of fallen and living trees, most often baobab, and its range therefore coincides with the distribution of baobab in Africa. Nests are sometimes in crevices of rocks and stones. In contrast to other species of the family, the female does not wall herself up in a cave, and the male sometimes helps her incubate her eggs. A clutch contains 2 eggs and incubation lasts about a month. The chicks stay in the nest for nearly 3 months. After departure, the parents feed the young for another 8 to 9 months. Nutrition. The Abyssinian horned raven eats a wide variety of foods. Its stomach is filled with lizards, snakes, birds and their eggs, frogs, seeds, fruits, beetles and ants, sometimes antelope hooves.